typically the gold standard in the field I work in is sort of a marginal maximum likelihood. The marginal meaning we get rid of the latent variable to estimate models. So that process of marginalization, is done numerically. The multidimensional sense now, from going from 1 to 2, you've effectively squared the number of points you have. So if you want 2 bits of information from an assessment from somebody, now you've just made your marginalization process exponentially more difficult. But really, the benefit of having 2 scores is very little compared to having 1. So from a brute force perspective, if we take a Bayesian sampler perspective, there is not the exponential increase of computation in the linear increase in the latent variables. And so from a number of steps the process has to take from calculation is much smaller.